Hey guys, so if you want to add a customer product review system on Shopify, here's how you're going to do it. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to admin.shopify.com/store or your Shopify dashboard. From here, you can see the left-hand side menu. Just click on apps and then click on add apps. And then from here, just scroll down and then open the Shopify App Store. Once your Shopify App Store is loaded, here just search for product reviews. Now choose any of the product review that you want. Let's choose easy reviews for me and then just hit on install. Now from here, you're going to allow access to your personal data and to edit your store data before you can use the app. For me, I'm just going to click on install. And then after that, once you arrive in here, just click on add review feature. It will then automatically open your website or your Shopify store. And then here, you can see here the product reviews that you can add. As you can see, the product reviews has been automatically added. Now click on got it. And then here, you can see the product reviews section already. You can just edit this one depending on how you want it to look like, but this one is already a template. And then again, you can just toggle this or you can just edit this however you want it to be. You can also choose different products where you can add this customer reviews. Of course, this one is going to change depending on what product that you currently have this on. Once you're satisfied with how your website looks like, how this customer reviews templates fits with your website, you can just hit on save and your product review section will be saved to your Shopify shop. And that's it.